Ever wondered what the entire world is thinking about, like collectively, right this second? What if you could tap into a secret live feed, a direct line into the world's brain, showing you the questions, the curiosities, and the passions of billions of people in real time? Well, that tool actually exists, and today we're going to dive right into it.
And I mean right now. Not yesterday's news, not last week's viral thing, but the raw, unfiltered curiosity of the entire planet as it's happening. What would that even look like? What would we learn about, well, us?
So the answer to that big question is this fascinating tool from Google called Trends TV. And today, we're pulling back the curtain on it.
Okay, so here's the key thing to get. Trends TV isn't just some boring list. It's this dynamic, constantly updating visualization. It shows you the search terms that have had the biggest spike in traffic over the last 24 hours, anywhere on Earth. It's, and I mean this literally, a live pulse of global attention.
You know, the best way to understand this thing is to just see it. So let's take a look at a little snapshot of what the world is searching for. It's this incredible mosaic of human interest, you'll see.
Right off the bat, we see something super immediate and practical. A hailstorm is happening somewhere, affecting real people, and they're jumping on Google for info. It's a direct reflection of a real-world event happening right now.
And this is brilliant. It shows global passion. How did Barcelona do? That's what it means. You've got millions of people all united by a single soccer match, and that shared experience just explodes into a top trending topic in Spanish.
We also see our fascination with individuals. In this case, German ski jumper Andreas Wellinger has caught the public's eye, probably right after a big competition. The performance of just one person can become a global talking point.
Now this is where it gets really interesting, because it reveals the political side of things. This is the name of a Bulgarian politician, Rumiana Bakvarova. It just goes to show you, the feed isn't all pop culture. It's a window into national conversations, into civic life, all happening in people's native languages.
The tool also captures these huge cultural and religious moments. This search, which comes from Indonesia, is about the results of a meeting about Ramadan. It's a perfect example of how the platform reflects events that are just profoundly important to billions of people.
And finally, how cool is this? It shows us that we're a species that's always looking ahead. This search, in Ukrainian, is for the solar eclipse of February 17, 2026. We're not just reacting to what's happening now, we're collectively looking forward to the future, looking up at the cosmos together.
So, we've seen what people are searching for, from sports to science. But the truly mind-boggling part is where you can see it from. The scope of this thing is just immense.
You can actually filter this fire hose of information by country, and the list of places you can check out is massive, starting alphabetically with, Albania. In total, you can tap into the local vibe of 109 different regions. 109! That's not just a handful of major countries. We're talking about a truly global dashboard. Think about that. You can see what's trending in Peru, and then, with one click, jump over and see the top searches in Kenya or Thailand.
And that list, it really covers the globe, from A to Z, ending with Zimbabwe. It's this comprehensive scope that makes Trends TV such a wild tool for understanding the world on both a huge macro level and a tiny local one.
So, look, this is more than just a cool gimmick, right? It's a seriously powerful resource. Having access to this data in real time opens up some incredible possibilities. So here's the takeaway. If you're a journalist, you can get this totally unfiltered pulse on global events as they're happening, sometimes way before the official news cycle catches on. If you're a creator or in marketing, you can understand the cultural zeitgeist in real time, what movies, songs, or ideas are grabbing everyone's attention, so you can create stuff that's timely and relevant. And for anyone, really, it's about discovering what truly matters to people right now. It's this raw, unprompted peek into what we're all curious and concerned about. It is a powerful way to stay ahead of the curve, no matter what you do.
So I'll leave you with this question. This tool gives us this incredible, unprecedented window into the shared consciousness of our planet. We can see our curiosities, our celebrations, our concerns, all as they happen. So, if you can see the world's questions in real time, what will you do with the answers?